It is possible to prepare a remedy that serves as a digestive tonic that helps us lose weight and, at the same time, gives us energy and vitality. Thanks to this homemade drink made from apple cider vinegar, ginger root, and honey. So, discover how to prepare this digestive, slimming and revitalizing tonic with these 3 ingredients. This will help improve your health and your quality of life in the most simple and natural way. What is a digestive tonic? A digestive tonic is a remedy that facilitates digestion in different ways. It stimulates the appetite, balances gastric juices, facilitates the digestion of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, prevents heavy digestion, gas, and flatulence, regulates bowel function, prevents the rise of blood sugar. A digestive tonic is very useful for those who suffer mild gastric upset or discomfort often. Although it's also good for anyone who wants to prevent digestive problems before eating heavy food. Furthermore, you can take it as well as a purifying remedy to balance your digestive system. Why does it help us lose weight and provide energy? This digestive tonic, in addition to the properties that improve the function of the stomach and intestine, surprises us with its ability to accelerate metabolism and increase calorie burn. In turn, this makes it easier to lose weight. Our temperature increases shortly after drinking this drink, so our energy expenditure is higher than usual. Therefore, this drink has digestive and slimming properties and also stimulates the temperature and energy of our body. Thus, we get a good dose of vitality without having to resort to energizing substances such as coffee or cola drinks. Natural ingredients. Next, we'll highlight the medicinal properties of the 3 ingredients of this digestive, slimming and revitalizing tonic. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has so many uses that it is difficult to list them all because it is taken as a remedy but can also be applied as a topical beauty product for skin and hair. However, in this drink, it will bring us the following benefits: purifying, it helps to eliminate toxins from the body. Slimming, it accelerates metabolism and helps dissolve fats. Digestive, it prevents heartburn and improves digestion. It also balances the lymphatic system and improves the fluidity of the blood. Reduces the levels of cholesterol, sugar, and triglycerides in the blood. Reduces arterial hypertension. Fights acidification and alkalizes the body, which improves overall health. Ginger root. This exotic, spicy and refreshing spice is very healthy for different reasons. It favors the digestion and the gastric juices. Accelerates metabolism. Combats fluid retention and reduces swelling. Increases body temperature and activates sweating. Is a great remedy against dizziness, nausea, and vomiting. Is a natural antibiotic. Reduces pain such as migraine or menstrual cramps. Reduces nasal congestion and reduces coughing. Improves the immune system. Is a powerful antioxidant. Improves circulation. Honey is a much healthier sweetener than sugar because it provides a lot of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes with healing properties. It is a natural antibiotic. Is a stimulant and aphrodisiac. Promotes the elimination of liquids. Improves intestinal transit and combats constipation. Prevents aging caused by free radicals. Fights acidity and prevents gastric ulcers. Is a natural anti-inflammatory. Boosts the defenses. It improves the assimilation of calcium and magnesium. However, you must make sure that it's natural, unprocessed honey. Natural honey has no foam, has some impurities, pollen, propolis, etc., and causes a little burning in the throat. How do you prepare this drink? Ingredients: 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 60 milliliters, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 10 grams, 2 tablespoons of honey, 50 grams, 4 cups of water, 1 liter. Preparation. To make this drink, you just have to mix all the ingredients well. The water can be hot, warm or cool, but never too cold. How do you drink it? We will drink this tonic distributed in 5 glasses, 200 milliliters, throughout the day. Drink 2 glasses on an empty stomach, half an hour before breakfast. Drink 1 glass half an hour before a meal and 1 glass in the afternoon. The last glass can be taken half an hour before dinner. Lose weight and flush out retained fluids with this pineapple, coconut, and ginger smoothie. This smoothie will help you speed up your metabolism and lose weight while filling you up and helping flush retained fluids out of your body. The best way to lose weight is to switch out foods that make you put on the pounds for healthier ones that activate your metabolism. That way, you burn more calories and get rid of the retained fluids that are making you look bigger than you are. Learn about this delicious smoothie made from pineapple, coconut, and ginger and lose weight and retained fluids in a healthy way. Say no to miracle diets. In today's world, there are all kinds of miracle diets out there promising quick, amazing results. These diets are usually based on some food that is good for your health and weight loss. However, they tend to be very restrictive and unbalanced, too low in fat and calories. An effective, healthy diet is one that doesn't hurt the person following it, but rather fills them with energy and optimism while progressively improving their eating. The foods in these miracle diets sometimes actually are a great way to lose weight more easily. But they should be a part of a balanced diet. Lose weight with healthy foods. Next, we'll highlight 3 foods that will help your body burn calories and fat and eliminate retained fluids. Coconut. Coconuts are a tropical fruit that's gotten a bad rap for a long time due to their saturated fat content. However, over time it has been proven to be a very nutritious food with fats that are good for you and even for weight loss. When you eat this kind of fat, your body speeds up your metabolism, helping you lose weight more easily if you have weight to lose. This food won't help a person lose weight if they don't need to, it regulates your weight. Coconut oil also helps your heart, strengthens your immune system, gives you energy, keeps your skin healthy, and regulates your thyroid glands, which are sometimes the cause of weight gain. Pineapple. Pineapples are often found in weight loss diets and are commonly recommended for digestive problems. This tropical fruit has high water and fiber content, and thus is low in calories. These characteristics make it an excellent way to satisfy your hunger when you feel like snacking between meals. It also is a powerful diuretic. Eating it regularly helps eliminate retained fluids in your body that cause swelling and bloating in areas like your legs, belly, and face. Ginger. Ginger is a root that is used as a spice in many different cultures to give a fresh, spicy kick to foods and help with digestion. However, in natural medicine it is perfect for eliminating toxins and built-up fluids to really get your metabolism going. Your metabolism is in charge of calorie burning. If it is sped up, you burn more calories with little effort. Diuretic smoothie for weight loss. Ingredients. The pulp of half a coconut, half a ripe pineapple, a piece of ginger, to taste, 1 liter of water. Note, if you can't find fresh coconut, you can use prepared coconut milk in place of the liter of water. Preparation. First, blend the coconut pulp with hot water for a few minutes. Then, add the pineapple and ginger and beat again until mixed fairly well. Strain and, if you like, chill. You can sweeten it with a bit of stevia, although the pineapple already gives it a natural sweetness. How do I drink it? Have this diuretic, detoxifying smoothie over the course of the day like this: 2 cups on an empty stomach, a half hour before breakfast. 1 cup at mid-morning. Another cup at mid-afternoon. If you drink it outside of your meals, you'll be enhancing its weight loss effects. You can have it for a week or 2 several times in a year. Always accompany it with a healthy, balanced diet. Why you should drink bone broth. The food world is buzzing about the healing power of bone broths. It's said that for thousands of years, bone broth concoctions have helped many ailments and may strengthen the blood or support your kidneys. But many of these claims don't have scientific evidence, most of them are anecdotal and culturally passed down. The science that does exist behind bone broth is limited to small studies. However, champions of bone broth claim its nutrients may help with the digestive system, inflammation, joints, weight loss, sleep. But what is in bone broth that works? While people may believe that the salt in bone broth helps soothe a scratchy throat, the consommé's nutrients reside in the bones of the meat. When the bone, marrow, and connective tissues are boiled down, rich vitamins like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and silicon are released. Healing composites like collagen, glutamine, and glycine are released as well. Collagen may help with bone and joint disease, while glycine may help with sleepiness and fatigue. A small study also found that glutamine helps regulate gut bacteria. All this goodness together in a broth is a great way to drink up nutrients. Best time to partake. Across the globe's many cultures, making broths from the bones of fish, chicken, and beef is a long-standing culinary custom. There's no scientific, straightforward answer on how to drink bone broth. Sip a cup first thing in the morning or before you sleep. Some people add turmeric, ginger, or garlic to give the broth a boost of flavor. Be careful where you're purchasing bones from. A very small study found high traces of lead in bone broth, especially chicken broth made from skin and cartilage. To make bone broth, be sure to purchase bones high-quality, free-range, grass-fed animals. Pork bone broth. If you're looking to save some money, pork bone broth is ideal. It's less expensive to prepare than chicken or beef broth and easy to make. If you have difficulty finding pork bones at your local market, ask your butcher for guidance. You can also check out our bone broth recipe here. Although simple, it requires a fair amount of time, 12 to 24 hours, and effort. Fish bone broth. Stock made from fish bones is filled with iodine, which may help thyroid function. This light broth is also a great base for Asian soups and curries. The key to making a delicious fish stock is to use the bones from non-oily fish. Avoid cooking this in a slow cooker or pressure cooker, though fish bone broth should be boiled over the stovetop. Chicken feet and chili pepper stock. They may not sound appetizing, but chicken feet are perfect if you want to make a nutrient-dense stock of glucosamine, collagen, and calcium. It may be difficult to find chicken feet at your regular grocery store, but check your local farmer's market or a Chinese or Mexican-owned market. Instant pot bone broth. Instant pot bone broth is cooked in a pressure cooker or an instant pot. This recipe, made from chicken bones, is perfect for the busy mom who wants to make a batch of stock for the family. You can also use beef, lamb, or pork, just be sure to roast the bones in the oven to draw out maximum flavor. This no-frills broth can also work for the base of your egg drop soup, chicken soup, or coconut curry lime soup. Slow cooker beef bone broth. Nourishing and simple, beef stock is superb for braising meat and vegetables or as a base for soups and stews. For beginner bone broth connoisseurs, this stock is easy to make and packed with flavor. Bone broths last up to 5 days. It's best to store them in the refrigerator. But if you're not drinking them immediately, store them in the freezer. Pro tip: keep them in small containers for easier reheating.